All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package with 32,000 miles, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, leather seats, fog lights. Super nice. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice on the curbing. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds above 4. It's actually a hairline under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice on the curbing. And your tire thread. Get in the groove. Under 730 seconds above 4 is your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Jump into this vehicle. Push start system. Boom. Does come with one key fob combo. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on the lights. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all set on that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. Heated seats, heated and cooling seats. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 32,378. Pretty much completes the tour. Turn on the fog lights. Boom. Open up the trunk. Boom. Keeping it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck looks pretty good. Here's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious for a small car. Do have a spare tire with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. Is quarter here. Looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. A rear passenger, sorry. Let's check this out if I can get in the groove. Here's the groove. Under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks good. Seems to have a little chippy there. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender here looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Let's check out your tire thread, which is hairline under 730 seconds. Fog lights are working. Car is loaded. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a 2017 Ford Mustang premium package with 32,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.